Hi everybody, happy Monday. So today I'm going to come and talk to you guys a little bit about safe and healthy skincare products, and specifically a line that we carry here in the office that we all really like and enjoy. And then I'm also going to talk a little bit today about the question and answer seminar we're going to be having on Wednesday, where Dr. Shannon and I are going to sit down and answer your guys' health questions live, so that we can hear what you guys have to ask and answer them in detail, and you guys can hear what other people are asking, and that might be something that you have a question about too. So that's going to be happening Wednesday the 29th, and that's going to be happening at 1:30 here in the office. We're going to be doing that Q&A live, so join in, tune in, submit your questions below in the comments, send me an email. After I'm done with the video wrapping it up, I'll put my email in the comment section, so you guys can feel free to email me your questions as well. Okay, so first we'll get started on our skincare kit, and why we're actually talking about that today too is because on Wednesday, when you tune in for the Q&A, if you share the video and you comment in the comment section of the video, then we are going to enter you into a raffle to win this free skincare regimen. So this particular skincare regimen is a $150 value, so it's not any little amount or anything like that. So I'm really excited to share it with you, and I'm excited to tell you all about what it does. So in particular, this is a Pure Haven product. So Pure Haven is a line we carry here in the office, and it's a very safe, clean, sustainable line. So we love them and their products because there's no preservatives, no chemicals. It's all very chemical-free, clean product line. So in particular, the skincare regimen that we carry is a pre and probiotic regimen, which is really important because our skin has its own biome, so it has its own good and bad bacteria on it. So what we want to do is we want to be giving that good and bad bacteria the support that it needs, and the support that it needs to get rid of the things we don't want on our skin. So keeping that biome at a good level and a making sure that it's getting the things that it needs is really important. Just like we need to make sure that our gut gets the things that it needs and our biome and our gut stays well, we need to do the same thing for our face and for our skin. So I love it because it does have the pre and probiotics in it. For the longest time, I was trying different skincare regimens, all sorts of things. Obviously cleaning up my diet helps a lot with your skin and things like that, but I was having a really hard time, especially with like hormonal acne area breakouts, and Pure Haven is hands down the best skincare line. I tried it, cleared up my face, like it was amazing. I currently just have a couple breakouts here because of wearing masks and such like that around the office, but besides that, my skin is wonderful, and I'm so happy and ecstatic to be able to use it every day, and it is a very nice smelling thing, so it's refreshing too. So within the skincare bundle, you have a cleanser. So in particular, I use this cleanser, I just keep it right in my shower, so when I'm showering I just use this to wash my face with. So that's like the first step. Then after that, after you wash with the cleanser, then you're gonna go ahead and put a toner on. So a toner helps tone like your the color of your skin. So if you get those red blotchy spots or anything like that, toner is to help tone that out and level things out in that way. And literally all of these are going to have pre and probiotics in them. And in particular, the toner I see here has some mint and witch hazel, which is very refreshing. Then we have our moisturizer. So the moisturizer here, again, pre and probiotics, and it has some aloe in it, so it's so soothing, so soft to the touch. It helps keep your face nice and moisturized. And this part of the regimen I'm doing twice a day, once in the morning and once at night, to keep skin nice and clear. It is so important what you put on your skin because it is absorbed pretty readily and goes right into your bloodstream, and it can affect a lot of things. It can affect different organs, it can affect different things in your nervous system. So what you put on your skin is so important. And then at nighttime, go ahead and use this little night serum here, which looks like this. So the night serum has carrot oil and pink grapefruit in it, so it smells really good, And the carrot oil brings a lot of good vitamin E and a lot of good moisture. This one is, putting on the night serum is lovely. It really does help when you wake up in the morning. I was with some friends for the weekend, and I put this on. I had some really bad breakouts like right here, and I put this on at night, and the next morning I woke up and they were pretty well gone. It was a wonderful thing. So this is a great product to have and to use at night, and all of them last quite a long time, so it's not like it's a month or anything like that and then you have to refill. I found it anywhere from like a month and a half to a couple months is how long each bottle was lasting me. And then as part of the bundle, you do get a free included Refresh eye cream with pre and probiotics, and I actually gifted my sister one of these for her birthday, and she said this was the first thing she ran out of because she just was like addicted to it because it's really great. So why it's so important to have these clean skincare regimens, again, like I said, our skin has its own biome and it does need to be supported with different pre and probiotics. And then on top of that, any chemicals or harmful products that you could be using and putting on your skin are going to get absorbed right into your bloodstream, and then they're going to affect different things, anywhere from digestive issues. A lot of things that we see here in the office actually with chemical absorption on the skin are a lot of hormonal issues. So things like very fragranted lotions or body sprays, perfumes, things like that really can disrupt our hormone balance because they can act like they basically inhibit the hormone balance, and they can throw off different things that your body needs to be signaling that are just not happening. So what we have here from Pure Haven is a nice little pocket guide, and we have these here in the office. They're really great because they give you a nice list of harmful chemicals that you can find in different products and why they actually bother your body and how they're affecting you. So I won't go through all of them because it's quite the list, as you can see. But what is really nice is that it does pinpoint those, so you're able to better identify, okay, this is not that great, this is great. So for example, the number one thing on this list ingredient is fragrance. So fragrance is a really big deal because it's all going to be chemically made unless it's coming from like some sort of essential oil. So that's just a huge issue, and it can cause a lot of things, and it causes a nutrient deficit overall, that's for sure. So grabbing one of these pocket guides when you're in the office is a great idea. You can take it right with you and put it in your purse. And then also another reference is called ewg.org. So this is a third-party website that ranks different beauty products from really great to really harmful and full of chemicals, and that website also again breaks things down and helps you identify, okay, this is the harmful chemical in that specific product and here's what it's actually causing and what's happening. All right, awesome. So there are those things. And then as far as our Q&A goes, I want to go over that just a little bit, the fine details of that. So on Wednesday, again, like I said, we're going to be sitting down around 1:30. We'll start our live video, and Dr. Shannon and I are just going to be answering your health questions, anything from immune issues, different diets, is this good for me, is that good for me, anything lifestyle, diet, health-wise, we are happy to answer and bring to you some good support for your everyday life. So please send those in and we will get to those on Wednesday. And then, like I said, to specifically actually win that skincare bundle, you're going to share the video and then you're going to comment below the video in the comment section, just so it's an easier way for us to keep track of who's sharing it, because depending on your profile settings and whatnot, we can't see everyone who shares it. So it's just good to make a comment saying, hey, I shared your video, and then go ahead and share it as well. So we look forward to answering your questions, and we look forward to providing you with good skincare here in the office. If anyone has anything that they need from us, we're here till 6:30, and we are here Monday through Friday this week. All right, everyone, I hope you're having a wonderful day, and we will see you guys on Wednesday.